I am Engineer Mejba Ahmed. Today I will teach you how to integrate Laravel Nightwatch in your Laravel application. First of all, we need to know what is Laravel Nightwatch. Laravel Nightwatch is a new official product launched by Laravel team for the deep monitoring and insight tracking for the Laravel application in production. Uh, so now let's go to see how to integrate Laravel Nightwatch into your Laravel application. So look the screen. This is the Laravel Nightwatch official website. So first of all, we have to create the Kit account. So Kit account. I have already created Lightwatch account. Now I am going to log in my Laravel Lightwatch account. This is the Laravel Lightwatch dashboard. Now let's go to setting and add a new application. We can put the your application name like test app. You can upload the application icon, and you can select the region. Okay, so I can leave the default and keep the product environment name and the environment color. You can leave it as default, set as level. Then click the next button, select the region. I select the Ohio, and then next. And now this is the access token. The token, we have to put the access token in the Laravel environment file. Now let's go to open the Laravel project. I have put the token in the environment variable file. Here is my Lightwatch token, and to put in your environment file, and then click the next button and keep it set as default. Then click next, and then click. Now copy this command line, run this command in your terminal, project terminal. That's Lightwatch package is installed. Now click the next button and leave set as default, and click the next button and run the Lightwatch agent command. The Lightwatch agent is running. So now I'm going to visit my my portfolio website. Okay, run dev. Just click here. This is my portfolio website, and go to the Laravel dashboard. Okay, now if I go to setting, this is my application. Now back to my application dashboard. This is the request. Now visit some page, like I visit some pages, and project like portfolio. This is, and for testing I visit some error pages. Suppose click this is error. Now go to the our Lightwatch dashboard. If you refresh this page, we will see the request and look the Lightwatch active menu. We will see everything, which pages we visited, route and job and exception. We will see the everything. So this is, and also look the user intro and the error, everything. So very this is very useful, uh, uh, useful for developer, and they can easily monitoring the Laravel application using the Lightwatch dashboard. Okay, so like this is exception error. We Now we can click the exception. We can see the error, and we also assign the error in any developer. Okay, just see the requested, see the error. We can open the error request, this error. We will see everything. Okay, so issue once, we can go to the issue menu, and we will see the issue, and this is, we will see the issues outcoming. We can job which command, like just if I run any command like that is optimize clear. Okay, if you refresh this page, just a minute, take some time. We will see the command, which command I run in my terminal. Okay, so everything we will see the all in the application activities in Lightwatch. So we can also assign the error in your team member, like this. Click here, and suppose like this error, click this, and we can easily find out any issues and fix them easily. Okay, just one same job. Yes, issue from here we can assign the developer. When you see the issue, we can assign any developer. Okay, so we can track everything, easily. So that's it. That's it. How to? That is a simple way to integrate the Laravel Lightwatch. So I hope this video will helpful for you, and I also write a blog about this, how to integrate Laravel Lightwatch. I will keep the my blog link in the video description. Thanks for watching. See you again.